तेरी बातों को सुनते ठहर गए हम। तुम मिले तो खुशी में खो गए हम। तुमसे बेहतर। Hi, this is Aryan Shekhar.
Hi, this is Pragya Kansara.
Welcome to our podcast. We're gonna talk about the song "तुमसे बेहतर." So lines ये है, तुमसे बेहतर, तुमसे बेहतर की तलाश में थी हम।
तुम मिले तो खुशी में खो गए हम.
Yeah, that's it. So
It's really looking nice.
yeah, you like it?
Yes.
तुमसे बेहतर. हेलो गाइस, ये सॉन्ग ऐसे बना कि मैं एक छोटे काम के लिए जोधपुर आया था. आई जस्ट केम फॉर इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क एंड आई गॉट टू मीट प्रज्ञा एंड वी मेट इन दिस कैफे एंड वी शी गिव मी 2 lines. That is तुमसे बेहतर, and she started writing the 2 lines and I was like moved with these 2 lines and started composing on a basic piano frame. So it happened like it just took like 2 hours to compose and we made it a rough scale, and that's how it happened. We never decided that we'll make this song. We thought this might be an option, but ultimately we made this and now people are liking it.
Hello guys, यही वो जगह है जहाँ हम लोगों ने कंपोज किया है. ट्रेसप्रेसो करके एक कैफे है जोधपुर में. जस्ट 2 words मेरे दिमाग में आए थे कि तुमसे बेहतर. देन आर्यन ने इसको कंपोज कर दिया.
तुमसे बेहतर.
हम लोगों ने फिर डिसाइड किया कि हम मुंबई जाएंगे और उसको स्टूडियो में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. और ये मेरा फर्स्ट म्यूजिकल जर्नी था जो मैंने स्टूडियो में रिकॉर्ड किया था. एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी. In the era of rapping and loud music, people must have get bored. So we planned to make a romantic song. It's a beautiful romantic song. And it is available on social media platforms like Amazon, Spotify, Gaana.com and many more sites.
तुमसे बेहतर. So Pragya wrote this amazing lyrics and she said in the era of rapping in loud music it's too loud, like people are getting bored with it also. So they needed something to describe, understand the meaning of love so that they don't take the relation to a toxic and get away from it. So we thought there's something we can connect people with this amazing song. So she's initially started with these lines and she told me the whole story and I really loved it. And the first part where the Sai, where it started, then we thought like we can do something different in this, but she said okay, we'll keep it very simple with a simple beat and a simple lines so that a minimal music can connect to the people. So that's how we made the whole song like 3 minutes. तुमसे बेहतर. So basically, I really, I used to listen to Pragya's voice when she used to send me samples. So I used to listen and I made out that she has a very unique voice. She can touch, because I've recorded many singers and this thing, but I found something unique in this. So, but it was a long time, like 2-3 months back, but I couldn't find any song like to compose. I thought, I never thought that I'll come over and make something. I just came randomly to meet, but she's a very amazing singer, very talented, and while recording, I got to know many features where we can experiment in our voice. So that's how we made this song. तुमसे बेहतर. So basically, the story behind like how when I was composing, I made up a story so that I can connect. So we'll do this when we'll shoot the song. So the story is like the two people, they were in love before, प्यार में थे and at one point of time they got separated due to some personal issues. फिर कुछ टाइम के बाद like after some time they got to meet each other. तो तुमसे बेहतर the particular line is the bottom line where it shows that we were supposed to move on. Like तुमसे बेहतर की तलाश में थे हम. Like we were supposed to move on and we were searching for someone else better. तुम मिले तो खुशी में खो गए हम. The thing is that when they got to see each other, they started loving again. The next line was given by Pragya that we can, like, rather than speaking, it is like you're talking to each other. So that's how I and Pragya, we wrote this, so that the two people who are in love, they're talking to each other, and at the end they get to, come back together. That was a whole story.
मैं जो ऑडियो भेज रहा हूँ उसमें लिरिकल वीडियो ऐसे बनाना, जो भी इमोशंस है ना, जैसे कि तुमसे बेहतर लिरिक्स है, तो वो लिरिकली क्रिएट करना कि एक कनेक्शन एंड केमिस्ट्री चल रहा है कि दो लोग तुमसे बेहतर की तलाश में थे हम, तुम मिले तो खुशी में खो गए हम, मतलब एक सेपरेट हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद फिर उनका मिलना हुआ, फिर वो जो मेमोरी से उनको याद आ रहा है, तो ऐसे उसके हिसाब से लिरिकल वीडियो बनाना।
हाय, आई एम शरण फ्रॉम एडिटेड मीडिया। हमने आर्यन भाई के पॉइंट्स को माइंड में रखते हुए और लिरिक की मीनिंग उनसे लेके एनिमेशन एंड ट्रांजिशन पे काम करना शुरू कर दिया था।
Hi, Rugved here from Edited Media. I am editing this podcast, so I am happy to be part of it.
Hello guys, here we are in the cafe.
Freshpresso.
तुम मिले तो खुशी में खो गए हो।
Hey everyone, I'm Deepak. I own this very beautiful cafe, Cafe Freshpresso. Huge congrats to our very own Aryan and Pragya for their song Tumse Behtar. They have composed it right here at Freshpresso. Best wishes to them.
Thanks for making it possible to reach 10,000 views on YouTube.
Please like, comment and share. My YouTube channel is Pragya Kansara.
And mine is Aryan Shekhar.
Thanks for watching.